Hey guys, let me show you how the Droppa store service to build dropshipping store on Shopify works. This is an example of the output of a simple a dropshipping store, the basic pricing. And we also have a premium theme package which goes with the conversion theme that we are the developer at Droppa. So let me walk through everything that you will have on your drop shipping store. Here are listed all the features that we will set up. Oberlo, which is an app that makes the bridge between AliExpress and Shopify. We will install the theme, so we have two options. We have the default theme, which is Debut, or another free theme, but by default we will install it. Or we have another premium theme that is called conversion theme that we developed, and this one will be more expensive. You can see the pricing right there. The difference of pricing is basically the difference of theme, because the options are the same. So let me continue. So the products import, so when you will have your store, we will set up Overlow and we will import one niche of products. For example, in this demo it's engagement rings for men and women. So I have imported a few products, around 30, and this is what you will have. And you can see in each product you have a pricing, you have the number inventory, you have the descriptions taken from Oberlo as well, and you have some images and variants, for example the size or the color. So everything is there. So these are the products imported via Oberlo from AliExpress. If we move on, then you have the key pages built. The key pages are about us, that we will put a picture and some text about you that you will provide, the contact us page with a form and a Google map if you provide your address, the terms of services, the privacy policy, refunds and returns, and FAQs. Of course, you will also have the register, login, cart, checkout pages, and every pages that is essential for a store to run, which is the category page, also called collections in Shopify, and also of course the product pages. So next thing, the contact details. Well, we will display them on the contact page. We'll also open a default blog, which is like a place for you to post and to to bring traffic to your store. Instagram feed. In this demo I have my own Instagram feed with pictures of babies and cats, but of course if you provide your API key via the form that you will see, I'll explain later, but after you pay you will have a few questions. 3 or 4 or 5 questions are essential, which means they are required, but the other ones, they are optional, for example for Google Maps or Instagram feed, etc. Also the social links, which means you have a presence on Facebook, on Instagram. We can put the icons there. They will be at another location if we go with the conversion team, but this is the default package on the debut team, so they are in the footer. The menus and headers and footer, of course. So this is the menu. In the menu we'll put the home page, the collection pages, about us, blog, and contact us, but you can of course edit it later. You can go in online store. When this is the admin side of Shopify. You will also remove the password page, but now I want to show you the navigation. So the menu, I have the main menu, footer menu, account menu. So if I go in main menu and I want to edit it, I can move stuff like this, and I can also add another menu item, and I can put, for example, products, and put all products and add it to the menu, and this will refresh. So this is editable by you once we've delivered the store. Then We have the home page slider. For by default, we will only add one slide, I mean one image, but you can add more by yourself. The reviews app, this is the Shopify's default product reviews app. The app is free, by the way. So you will see in the product page a way for customers to leave a review. You can disable it if you don't want it. The trust badge, this is a simple image that increase security and trust factor. So this is proven to increase the number of add to cart and the number of purchases. Also a content timer, so you can disable it if you don't want it. But again, this also is proved to boost scarcity, and scarcity is a big factor of purchase. The Google map, this is in the contact page. Currently in my demo I don't have any map, but this will show up here in the contact page. The reason why you might not want a Google map displayed on the contact page is if you're in your basement and you don't want people to know that you work from home. So you don't need this. Maybe MailChimp integration. So if you have a MailChimp account, we will connect the join our mailing list subscribe form to MailChimp. By default, it won't go to MailChimp. By default, it just creates a new customer here with a list of customers that are subscribed to your newsletter. And finally, a shipping calculator. This is a simple way to estimate shipping at the cart. I don't think right now I have it enabled, but I will enable it. Yeah, so this is not enabled yet in the default, but I mean, this is something that you will have included in your package. And again, this is not required. You can disable it if you want. I'm just simply listing what you have included in your package. So these options right here are included in both packages. The only difference is the theme that you will use. The package at left here is $499. Sorry, 400. Yeah, you know this price, and it's included with the conversion theme, and this is $299. And this is included with a free theme called Debut. This is the Debut theme that is exactly looking like this. So it looks pretty clean if you check on desktop, and also it looks also pretty clean if you check on mobile. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, after you purchase, you will be redirected to a form. I forgot to explain this. And in the form, you will have a few questions. It might take 5 minutes, 10 if you're inspired and you have a lot of text to put in the About Us page. And you will see the fields that are optional and the fields that are required with a little star icon there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you're done with this, we receive this, we create your store within the same day, so overnight, and we offer a 24-hour delivery time, like we promised here in our main tagline. I hope you enjoy our service, and feel free to provide some feedback.